How to restore purchases in Toca Boca world. So before anything, you're gonna make sure you are signed into the same account, like your Apple ID or Google account. So make sure you open the game as your Google Play Games is signed into the account that you used to purchase those items. But once you have pretty much done that, make sure your app is also up to date. So the latest version to pretty much avoid any mishaps. But once you have those set up, you can directly go into Toca Boca and restore your purchases. If you're installing the game directly in the same device, you should be able to have it connected automatically unless you had changes with your accounts in your Play Store or your Google Play. But in Toca Boca World, just go ahead to the shop in any way. So you should be able to find that green basket in the main screen or the ring inside the game. But once you're there, just go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom. And once you make it there, you'll be able to find the restore purchases option if you did purchase some stuff in this game and you are connected to the same account. So make sure that's already settled. But that's pretty much how you start purchases in Toca Boca World. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.